If you want to get an early start on your holiday shopping or any type of start at all, we have the perfect plan. Maybe it's time for you to take a trip to Old Webster Groves for their holiday open house. So excited to have our friend Rachel Sauter, who is here this morning with Leopard Boutique. Good morning to you, Rachel.
Good morning. Good morning. Thank you so much for having us.
Thrilled to have you. And even though you're with Leopard Boutique, you are kind of representing all of Old Webster with this big open house that's happening.
Absolutely. Old Webster is such a great community for small businesses. We have so many new ones opening all the time, new businesses, new restaurants. It's a really great community. And this is a great weekend to come and support local businesses and jumpstart the holiday season. Did you know that we have 6 less shopping days than we had last year?
I actually did know that,
That's
and
a
I'm
lot.
freaking out about it. Yes,
Yeah,
it is.
yeah. So that's a lot less. So it's time to get going, people.
Yeah.
We have less time between Thanksgiving and Christmas, and those really are key shopping days. And I think you were talking about at the start of the holiday season. That's when people think. So let's start it this Sunday, 10 to 4, Old Webster. The whole community is involved in this. So there are trolleys, carriages, Santa will be there for the kids. This is a family affair. So pack up the whole family, bring them, and just come and shop, get your holiday shopping started, and just enjoy a day kind of celebrating the kickstart to this fabulous season.
I love everything about it, and I love everything you brought. So would you please walk us through some of the pieces that you could find at Old Webster on Sunday?
Absolutely, and this is just a small representation of what all the businesses have to offer. I think the small businesses really take so much pride in this day. The business owners are there in the store talking to their customers and just making it a fun experience. So we have some great gifts from Schnarr's Hardware. In addition to hardware and holiday stuff, they have lots of great Yeti gifts. They also have some children's items here, toys and things to get that started. We have a new shop in Webster, Story 7, lots of holiday like decor and home decor, bracelets here, Paisley Boutique with clothing and accessories, pre-wrapped gifts.
That's huge.
Green Door Art Gallery is doing that day.
That's
where you can come and get these
adorable.
specialized gifts. Leopard Boutique, I have the sweater over there.
Well done.
Purses, accessories, Kind Soap. They make all their products in Old Webster. Pino's Palette, you can do the painting, initial the design, embroider the occasion with personalized gifts. So you can really, and then there's restaurants too. So we have, a Layla menu fell, Layla's there. The Block, Robust, just so many options for you to just make a day of it, you know?
It's so cute. Old Webster is fantastic. And if you have never checked out this holiday open house, do it. I've been. It's really, really fun. Always good to see you.
Oh my gosh, you too. Thank you so much. And we hope to see some people there this Sunday.
Let's
10 to 4.
There we go. All the details one more time. The 2019 Old Webster Holiday Open House, Sunday, November 10th from 10 until 4 in Old Webster Groves. Kent?